Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing essentials. Get a vehicle that can cross uneven terrain and bring a chainsaw with fuel so you can cut promptly. Once done, load a crate and extra planks to carry trunk pieces because palm logs are bulky and float differently. Make sure to head toward Palm Island via the map or sail northwest, keeping an eye out for the sand and tall palms. Your goal here is speed. Arrive prepared so you can cut before other players. Once on the island, focus on tree selection. Choose intact palms with straight trunks because they yield longer palm wood. You cut at the base, then section the trunk into transportable lengths. Smaller pieces avoid slipping off boats. Make sure to place each piece into a crate or on a plank to float because palm wood sinks/shifts differently, so balance load evenly. If you're working with friends, coordinate pushes and loading. Teamwork speeds up transport back to your base or cellar. To finish, bring your loaded crate back carefully. Travel shallow routes and slow down when docking because sudden impacts can pop logs out. Once at the mill or your base, unload and sell or store. Selling immediately avoids theft. If something goes wrong, like missing logs or teleport glitches, make sure your inventory and crate aren't full. Check for collision issues when loading. And if needed, rejoin the server or respawn. This usually restores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.